Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by collecting the primary records now: ledger, spreadsheet, receipt scans, and bank statements. Once done, align the reporting period, currency, and rounding so you compare apples to apples. You should identify the first mismatched line or cell, note its amount and whether it's a debit or credit, and mark the source file. This immediate comparison prevents chasing ghosts. It narrows your focus to the exact item that caused numbers to diverge. You now trace each calculation, opening formulas and checking references, hidden rows, and rounding functions. Make a clean copy and recompute totals manually or with a fresh sheet to confirm results. As you move through, watch for duplicated entries, misplaced negative signs, or incorrect foreign exchange rates that change totals. Once you isolate a faulty formula or duplicated line, correct it, and then rerun the totals so you can see the effect immediately and be confident the math is now consistent. You apply the correction, fix the formula, edit the entry, or post a balancing journal entry, and then validate by reconciling to bank statements or source totals. Make sure to run a variance check to confirm the discrepancy is closed. If numbers still don't add up, perform a binary search. Split the file, compare halves to find where the error begins, and review backups and the audit trail for recent edits. A single misplaced sign or hidden row usually explains lingering differences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.